There you are, sir, in 1/6 scale.
Wow, that's amazing. Thank you so much, ZW.
Hey guys, I am ZW and I turn people into figurines. So Justin came to me with a proposal to sculpt Mr. Kim from Kim's Convenience.
So cool!
But it wasn't confirmed until a few days before the stream, so I basically had 2 days to sculpt this before the big review, and you're looking at it. Luckily, Paul has really unique features, so even though I suck at sculpting Asians, his big eyes and double eyelids made things so much more manageable. Not only were my lucky stars shining on me, Paul's shiny head really helped a bunch. No offense, but the lack of hair saved me so much time, cause it's literally just a sphere and a few modifications. Even the beard is just recycled hair flipped over. The eyebrows are vital to sculpting, or to anything really, cause can you imagine someone without eyebrows? It's the same logic, so I always paint the eyebrows on as soon as I can to help with the positioning of other features. And if you ask me to choose between digital and traditional sculpting, I would definitely say digital, cause we can sculpt in symmetry. I promise you my sculpts will look like Frankenstein's monster without symmetry, cause I can't replicate the exact same features on the other side a second time. So mad respect to all the traditional sculptors out there. You might think that I would be happy to sculpt a sitcom actor cause I get to rewatch some episodes while collecting references. You can't be more wrong. Because they are so expressive that it's hard to find neutral expressions. So if you're wondering why he looks so angry here, that's because he's always angry in the show. And having a deadline over my head, I decided to fill in the pores before finalizing the facial features. Just in case if I can't complete it, at least I have something to show for. But fortunately, I did manage to whip out a decent render on time.
That's incredible.
Now the question is, where the hell do I get an outfit? Cause Mr. Kim is larger in size, so I had to find 1/6 scale clothing meant for figures with bigger stature.
What you say?
But there's only one available, and this is not accurate at all because Mr. Kim only wears plaid shirt.
We can't wear same shirts.
So the only other option is Carson Teva.
We could really use you.
There is, however, only one version of X-Wing pilot in 1/6 scale. And that is Sideshow's Luke, which costs a bomb. I gotta say, I'm a fan of Paws, but I'm a poor one. Heck, I'm not even monetized yet, so I can't afford to dismantle a $400 figure just for a gift. But a simple search on eBay revealed another 1/6 scale pilot outfit that is almost the same age as I am. Kenner's vintage 1996 12-inch figure, which looks kind of funky, but don't worry. Once it's in my hands, it will serve a bigger purpose.
Many months later.
So I was busy with my YouTube channel and this project was left on the back burner and scheduled to release right after Shang-Chi, which is now. And it's a blessing in disguise cause I have found a fatal mistake on all my sculpts that made them look really tired. The eye bags. Basically, it's not supposed to protrude out further than your cheekbones because the fats are actually in the eye sockets. And I only really found that out after Snake Eyes. So I guess that's a plus for procrastination? Anyway, I can fix it now, and I did. It's a really subtle change, but it should make things better. Unlike Shang-Chi, Carson Teva is perfect for a necklace print because he has an amazing beard.
Who's your face look better with a beard?
Head sculpts with necks are for characters who won't fit on the standard 1/6 neck provided, like Seikin, the YouTuber, who has a skinnier neck. So after adding a hole to the sculpt, it's time to form labs. While it's printing, I went to watch a recording of the live stream, and that was my first time actually, and everything changed.
We need to ask you probably what accessories you want you to come with. I don't know what you would come included with aside from your rifle. Obviously,
Yeah.
from when you were on top of the X-Wing cockpit.
He had a little comm pad that he that he was writing on, and the badge that he was showing.
Yes.
Okay, wait a minute. I have not been made aware of this, even after 3 months. What rifle? What badge? I don't even watch the show.
Move this man!
Honestly, I was thinking a custom tailored head sculpt and an outfit would be good enough. But I guess not. Okay, let's not panic and first take a look at the outfit we have. I think we've got almost everything we need, which is neat. The gloves and the pin thingy are too huge, so I need to find a way to reprint it. There seems to be a compat on the glove itself as well, so I gotta add that too. The helmet is gonna be a pain to paint, especially at this scale, and I gotta find the right model to print. What do you want? A rifle? Sure, I found a model of that. A badge? Yep, someone's made it too. But this handheld compat, on the other hand, only appeared for a few seconds, so I have not seen any models online, and I guess I'll have to make it myself. Okay, let's see. It looks like a rectangle with a screen and two rings on it with an antenna. That's it, right? Anyone else who knows what this is or have any information on the pictures, please let me know. And in order to stay true to the physique of the character, I bought a fat suit. But with the fat suit on, the uniform is just too tight. That's why I had to put it on the other way round, and the pockets will need to be transferred to the front in the future. Now the prints are ready, and it was printed with Shang-Chi, so please watch that video if you haven't. Painting this is definitely slightly more pressurizing, knowing that Justin is gonna put it under a microscope and review it, and that it's a gift to Paul, who collects hot toys too, so he's gotta have a high expectation. I just wanna say, I am a one-man team with only 1 year of painting experience, so please have mercy. But yeah, this is also my first time painting white hair, and it's quite interesting trying to blend some black into the white. And I'm not gonna lie, actually this whole time while I'm painting, I'm just thinking of how I'm supposed to get those accessories done, and I came to a conclusion. I'll have to dedicate a part 2 just for the accessories if this video does well, so let me know by clicking the like button and comment. I might even try to customize a box for it to make it look more professional, I don't know. I just hope he likes it. So I guess this is a vanilla version of Carson Teva without accessories. I'm just a head sculptor, so there's a lot of things I am still not capable of making yet. But I will not pass on a great opportunity to learn, so thank you Justin for hooking me up with this gig. If you're interested in part 2, I will link it here when it is ready. Otherwise, watch this and subscribe. Okay, see you!